Guys, today I am playing Bridge Dusk, and I'm joined with my friend, the Drawing Puppet.
I'm not gonna be playing. I'm just gonna be watching in the background while I do homework.
Yeah, they're not playing. It's just
Sadly.
me, but they are on call.
Yep, I'm watching them play.
Now, I've played part 1 of chapter 1 completely, and then chapter 2 is where I have not completed it, nor have I gotten halfway. So chapter 2 is where I don't know what to expect. This one, I may just fly through it.
He's out.
1966.
When the cold rain is falling down the grass. So if you hear me singing in the background, I'm listening to music while I do this. So. Ow, my foot. I'm indecisive with music. Nah, we'll be listening to Lydia the Bard, bro.
Alright, so what I did notice while playing chapter 1 for the first time, that your movement speed is quicker if you jump constantly. Which is useful for this first area. Now, this is going to be a full gameplay video, which means I'm going to be playing Chapter 1, Part 1, all the way to Chapter 2, and whichever part it ends on. I believe it's 3. I haven't looked at it.
Bro, this math homework is BS.
So if you want a shorter video, I will post those after posting this one.
HP! Alright, so you will find me in this comments.
Yeah. So now that I'm here, like I said, I've played part 1 already, so I'm just gonna fly through this.
Wait, I have a soundboard.
Oh, please no.
Oh, damn it. Yeah, I have a soundboard with like 10,000 different sounds. Imagine being on call and doing homework. Couldn't be me.
That's always you.
No.
You know it is and don't lie.
God damn it.
Okay. It's just helping by moving that pipe.
What is on my phone? I need focus.
Did you get distracted by me playing?
No, I'm distracted by YouTube and you. And homework.
Okay.
Bro, I need to lock in. I'm losing my accent. I forgot this is a family-friendly channel, unlike mine. That's 13 up. Just know, if I do cuss, there will be a lot of bleeping out.
Puppet. I am a family-friendly channel, so please don't ruin my channel.
I will try.
Well, too much. I allow some cussing on occasions, as long as you keep a filter on, as in not cursing every other sentence.
No comment. If you guys don't know what I'm like, just on call and not recording, you don't want to know.
Yeah, I really don't.
Just know I curse like a drunken sailor when I'm off scenes. I'm getting spammed. I don't want to go to sleep tomorrow.
What do you mean?
Really?
What do you mean you're getting spammed?
Messages, dude. Do you?
Give me a break.
I was actually about to ask you for help on my own homework. No, I need to do this homework myself. And I was like, you don't really need help. Okay, where's my other math homework I need to get done? I have that class tomorrow. I need so I can do.
I mean, I could help you.
Nah. What is this? Oh, storyboard. Word analogy. This is not what I'm looking for. Where's my... I totally just had it.
I found my figure out.
Oh, I found the I need of the
The last digit is in the room I need to go into.
Alright, I found the art I made for Andy. The art great. Jelly pursuit stuff. Oh my god, I'm mold. I just scratched it. I found my homework. Oh, this is old homework. I guess I'll try that one. It's fine here.
I knew it.
What?
I was about to die there.
Hello? Oh my god, it's my high school 4-year planning school thing. Oh. So it's done, bro. I don't want to do all this homework anymore. Like, bro, I did my homework. Like, bro. School's almost over. What are you giving me homework for? What stuff I can comment down below if I should put my video, bro. Comment down below. You know what? Say McDonald's down in the comments if I should actually see my movie. I cannot find anything in my own reels. That's good. I'm finding all this other stuff, and then yet I can't find what I'm actually looking for. Oh, that's set up. I'm just gonna look it up. That's science, not math. Music. If you hear screaming, that's not me, trust.
Money.
Am I just stupid? Getting trust, I'm just stupid. Bro, it's all wrong while organizing stuff. Yippee! If you're tired and want to sleep, clap your hands, clap, clap.
I think I still heard it on my end.
Oop. Oh, go back to when I was making my own language. I can't even pronounce that. Bro, I'm pulling out a bag right now and I just keep pulling out random junk.
End of part 1.